Good day, Ma'am Han. So I'm the reporter of Group 5 and my topic is all about semantic feature and roles. So what is semantic feature? Semantic feature are the categories that allow us to classify the meaning of word. They are usually represented with a head word and using a symbol plus and minus. Semantic feature are the crucial elements or feature of meaning that any noun must have in order to be used as the subject of the verb in the sentence. Semantic feature from the inherent properties of words needs to have to be semantically acceptable in particular construction. We have two examples here, which is the child ate the bread. The number two, the bread ate the child. Semantically, both sentence are fine, but sentence number two is semantically anomalous. As a way of answering the question, the answer relates to the semantic feature of the noun bread, which are different from those of noun child. The action ate cannot be performed by a non-living thing such as bread. Hence, the term animacy is used to describe whether or not something is alive, or whether or not something is human. We can use these components to describe part of meaning of word as either plus or minus the feature, so we can illustrate this semantic feature as follows. We have table here which shows us the animate and human. In this example, we can put plus and animate and human in the child because it is living and it does the action. While the bread is non-living, that's why we can put minus here. Also in the dog, we can put plus and animate because it does the action, but it's not human, we can put minus. Hence, through a feature analysis, we will able to identify the basic meaning of a word and predict whether or not it is semantically compatible with other words in a specific sentence. So next is the semantic roles. So what is semantic roles? Also known as semantic relations pertaining to the roles word, especially nouns and pronouns, fulfill within the situation described in a particular sentence. So we have here example of the agent, patient, and instrument. So what is agent? Agent is the entity that perform or does the action. So we have example here, the chicken ate the worm. So what is the agent here in the example? So it say here the agent is the entity that perform or does the action. So in the sentence, the chicken ate the worm. So who does the action? The chicken. So here in the sentence, who is the one who affected by the agent? So the worm, because the chicken ate the worm. So the next is the instrument. So you're probably asking what is instrument. I have one example here of sentence that has instrument. Using a net bag, he caught the chicken. Using a net bag, he caught the chicken. The noun phrase a net bag is the instrument. So that's all for my topic.